Hi, this is Mr. Colley, and in this video we're going to learn how to use loops to make our message that we're creating repeat at the moment, because at the moment if I click run, my hello world message, as we'll watch it scroll over there, only works once. So what we want to do is keep it running round and running round and running round and running round. Now there's a really easy way to do that in Blocks Editor, and that is we use the loops command. Actually, to be honest, it's found, the first loop we're going to use is found in the forever, in the basic section for some reason. But what we do is we take our forever, and you'll notice it looks like a little creature with a mouth. That's because, if you see there's a little dint there, it looks like a tooth, and a little hole here. That's to show you that this code will fit together. So I'm going to drag my show string command inside my forever loop like that. So what that means is that basically this command fits inside this forever loop. Anything we put in here, in the mouth of our forever loop, if you will, like so, in that space, and we can stack lots of commands up and this will get wider and wider and wider. Anything that we put in there will be repeated forever. So let's try run. And as I'm talking, basically that will then run along in the background, like so, again and again and again and again. So it's in what we call an infinite loop. It keeps going. See, there we go, it started again. Now that's one type of loop. The next type of loop we're going to ask you to play around with is this one in the loops section. And what we're going to do is we're going to, for starters, we'll just use this repeat loop. So what we do is we take the repeat loop, and again it looks like it's got a mouth, and you can change the number in there, so will repeat 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, as many times as you like really. So we're going to take our show string command, our show the message command, I'm going to drop it in that loop instead. There we go. And because I don't need this forever anymore, I'm just going to drag it down here to this little bin icon which opens, and that disappears. So there we go. Repeat 4 times. So now if I click run, in fact let's just do 2. So whenever you're testing some code, always make your numbers quite small just to check the minimum that it needs to do to show you that it's working. Click run. So we should start with the hello world, and that should run through twice and then stop. So that's how to start using loops. You select which loop you want. Forever is in basic. The others, the number of time ones where you can customize the number, is in loops, and you put your code that you want to happen inside the mouth of the loop.